One of those, Dad. I want to show them. They're not wear out, but they're okay for a backup. How you guys doing today? So we're doing repairing the trailer. So where's the bolt? Good. Good. Yep. What's that?
Yeah.
You want it over here?
Yeah.
Here, I'll put it on the desk.
It should go.
Like
Well, yeah, this one's got no circle on it.
You see that? Oh, it sits on here. You can't flip over. It sits here. It's mine. Why is it?
I don't think it'll be very nice.
Do you have the flashlight?
Okay, yeah, that's
What,
good.
you know what that means?
Try it. I have no idea. Stabilizer.
Stabilizer
Or
for
the
springs.
Equalizer.
Think about it. They're close, nice.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Don't think they might. Close.
Well, just
Yeah, it makes no sense. I was like, what happened? My hand just dropped. You can paint like
I have that.
that's an ouch right there, so I
What's that?
okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, that's perfect right there. Yeah. No, not yet. So you can line them up. Okay.
There's a lot of ways to skin a cat. I'm just.
You gotta put stands under before you take the wheels right off.
Want to lock?
Almost there.
Like.
This stand,
I don't know.
that's good right there.
Okay. Yeah, we need to block.
It works pretty good so far, right, Paul?
Don't start getting crabby, please.
This block under the. There's still a hole right there, right?
Oh yeah.
You gotta go down and go up.
Huh?
Down.
Okay, now let your jack.
Now you can.
No good.
You gotta down
Yeah,
with
what?
fire. I'll take the tire off and make it go right.
I have no clue. I couldn't tell you where it come from.
Sorry guys, I blocked. Why that side's not? Oh, that side.
We'll put this on so we can put the bolts back in.
Yes.
Where your light on the other side.
Yes, and then board.
Okay, I'll get another one.
Oh.
Why you got that on there?
Because we couldn't get.
Cause you. Bangworth? Little punchy thing?
So now you get the big nut off.
You're a bugger.
Me? I would never do that.
You shouldn't have took your nuts off yet, because these things are too lean.
Don't drop it on your rack.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's wore out too.
Show that camera.
Just tap her in. Yep. Or push it in or.
And this nut. Look at that brand new piece here, over there.
There.
Well, I need a book to Okay, but that one and we're going forward right now. Oh yeah.
Okay, now.
You gotta lift the axle up.
Huh?
You gotta lift the axle up. Fire.
Yeah. Good, good.
Good?
I think so.
Yeah. Can you pass me that screwdriver?
Yeah.
You not even do it one.
Does it fit underneath the spring or do we gotta lift it?
Right here.
Our rolls were so wore out there was no more lock left.
Hey, make sure it gets repaired before you buy it.
What? That's why you work out, right, Pablo?
Yep.
That was my toe. Oh, sorry. Can you pull that axle back? Little bit, I'll tell you what. If I pry this down, then it should. Yeah, right there. She got all new. Oh. Ugh. Be careful with this because
That's
it's
a lot.
I think it's out.
No.
This should slide out, right?
Oh, there's a washer there.
Yeah.
And then up, and then the lock. Like grease.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look how shiny this is.
Be grease in there. That keeps it.
That's a grease in there.
Right. Huh?
You see, right?
You have your.
It's easy to do, pull it off.
Whoa.
No.
New brake pads, but that one's got no really one. See, look at that.
Cap for there.
Where about this one?
That.
We should always grease that. We should always, and then do this. And then see, it's not fit. Rotor drum.
Where of it? On them, but I think there's no.
Yeah.
Back, because it measures the same on the other side as this side.
Wait till the final minute.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna hurt nothing.
It'll be alright. But it doesn't really work with you his way.
Who does?
Yep.
Dirty hands, clean money right there, right? Okay.
Put them on. Clean it up a little bit and put it on. That way they'll all be off, and then we got it down.
Tower, right? That's considered right there, right?
Yeah,
I
you
can sit
can
on
here.
there. However,
That, well, you can use that too.
the grease. This is my hoodie, right?
Use the one you're already, yeah. Look at here, there's a little bit of wear on the.
Where are they?
Huh?
I'll be happy for that if I sell it for amazing.
And that way,
Is it last hub?
there's common sense. Some people have them set up so high